Hi everybody. Well, I have a 1-gallon tree here, a white Sapote, that I ordered from Julian at Lara Farms. So came really quick. I'm not that far away from him. I'm in Florida just like him, but it came in. I ordered it yesterday. It's here today. So anyway, I'm going to open it so you can see how the process goes. Very nicely, nice little box here. So let's see. The best way to do it like this. There you go. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, you see? And the little pot so the dirt won't fall out. Very nicely packaged with all the tape. Now we'll remove that. And this is, like I said, a white Sapote, which is actually, it's not really, it's related actually to the citrus family. So it's not really Sapodilla type of the family. It's really related to the citrus family. And they give a lot of fruit. In fact, the last one, I haven't tasted them in a while, but the last one that I tasted was actually with Julian's dad at Lara Farms, back some years back, obviously. And it was sweet and it tasted really nice. And I remember the tree he had right outside in the back, and it would get really full of fruit. So looking forward to growing this one and getting a lot of fruit from it. So, but anyway, I just wanted to show you the process of how easy it is nowadays that you can just order online, and look at that, how beautiful. You get your tree and it's perfect. So anyway, I'll leave a link below so you can order from Julian at Lara Farms. If you want, you get yourself your own tree. You can just go to the link below and go to his website, and he has all the different trees and actual fruits as well for sale there. So, and I don't get anything for doing this. You know, I purchased this just like you would. So, but I know that he knows the stuff just like his dad did when he was alive, and I know you'll be satisfied with what he sells. So, you know, I knew him for a long time. So that's why I'm doing the video, so you have a place that you can get your stuff as well. And hope you enjoy the video. God bless.